Hey there, welcome to Creative Nature Adventures. My name's Danielle, and today we're just going to talk quickly about birds and how to sketch them. So this is a black and white warbler. This is actually one of my favorite birds. They actually sound like a little squeaky wheel when you hear them. And they're tiny. They actually go back and forth on the bark looking for little insects to eat. But when you're looking at a little bird like this, it's going to be moving around a lot. So you're actually going to be doing a bunch of different sketches, and then you'll have to go back to the bird. Because especially these little guys, they do not stay still. But let's just say that you were lucky enough and this bird stayed in this position. So your line of motion is basically just showing which way the bird's going. Okay, and actually it's probably more like that. And we're going to do the head, and then we're going to do the body. Okay, so this is kind of in profile, a little 3/4. And the beak is coming up. The eye will follow the beak line. And sorry if you can hear stuff in the background, it's my dog. But the wings are coming out through the back. And actually, I have that wrong. So that beak's going more like that. And then there's one stripe, two stripe. Like I said, it's kind of giving you that that look. He's almost kind of like an angry looking little bird. The beak is long and pointy. And then you're looking at the negative shapes. So it comes around the beak, it makes this little curve and then comes down. So makes a little curve, comes down. And then the wing comes out. You've got flight feathers down here. It's a little bit of the body here. And then a lot of times with the birds, you can see their little butts, their little tufts down here. And then there comes the feathers. And if you'll notice, here's some more of those primaries and flight feathers. Okay. And here's some of the back feathers, and the other wing is over on the side. And about here is about where the feet are coming out, and this foot is right underneath this one. But one of the other things I wanted to talk about in this, okay, so we've got it blocked. If we weren't going to shade this, so let's say we were just going to keep this as a line drawing. One of the ways that we can show a little bit of weight, so let's pretend that the sun is coming from this direction. Okay, so everything here we know is going to pretty much be highlighted. Okay, but underneath the beak, underneath the chest, underneath the wing, all of these, you can make these a little heavier. And that will just give the perception of a little bit of shadow. Again, this line on those little birds comes back and the eye sits on top of it. There is there's optical feathers, I think it is, or anyway, I'll have to look that up. We'll go over feather patterns at a later time, because there's actually a pattern of feathers, not to mention a pattern of feathers on the wing. So I hope that helped. I hope that was a good drawing tip. This will be your Tuesday drawing tip, and I will talk to you guys soon. Hopefully next time I will have a document camera and it will be a little nicer. Thank you.